In this video, we'll demonstrate how to set up the Shabbos Keeper with your GE Appliances refrigerator. No special tools are required to complete this task. Developed with Zimon Technologies, the GE Appliances Shabbos Keeper is the most advanced Shabbos keeping device of its kind. You can attach the Shabbos Keeper to the side, top, or front of your refrigerator for easy access. To set up your Shabbos Keeper, first connect the device to the data board on top of your refrigerator. You may have to remove a plastic plug from the refrigerator port before installing the cable. The Shabbos Keeper will then begin an updating process that could take 5 to 10 minutes. The refrigerator will turn on and off multiple times during this update. Once the update is complete, you'll need to set the date, time, and location on the Shabbos Keeper. This enables the device to know when the next Shabbos event is, so it's very important to input the correct information. Begin by selecting New Setup. This should appear automatically after connecting the device. If not, press the right and left arrow buttons at the same time to access the New Setup screen. With New Setup selected, press the middle button. Then, enter the date and time of your location. First, input the current month. Navigate the options by using the up arrow and arrow down buttons. After selecting the current month, click the right arrow to set the date. Then click the right arrow once more to set the year. Press the Enter button to input the time of day. Then press Enter. Next, use the up and down buttons to select your city and state. If your city is not listed, you may enter the geographic latitude and longitude coordinates. Once the date, time, and location are set, the Shabbos Keeper is ready. It will automatically go into Shabbos mode before Shabbos and holidays. Once concluded, it will then automatically return the refrigerator to normal operations. The Shabbos Keeper also has a 90-minute buffer. It will start an hour and a half before a Shabbos event, and it will end an hour and a half when Shabbos is over. Based on your location, it is programmed to recognize when sunset occurs. Keep in mind that if you are programming the Shabbos Keeper during a Shabbos event, it normally takes approximately 30 seconds to activate. You will see an image of candles appear on the screen as it completes the setup process. The Shabbos Keeper is easy to install, and it is compatible with over 100 GE Appliances refrigerators. Get your Shabbos Keeper today at geapplianceparts.com, and be sure to subscribe to our latest YouTube channel for the latest updates, recipes, and more.